go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a crochet butterfly locks. So to get this look, first thing first, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle into 2 sections. And once I am done parting my hair down the middle and I have both sections, then I'm pretty much is going to be creating doing it the rubber band method, kind of like cornrolling your hair to the back, but instead I am doing the rubber band method. Now this method is good for people who cannot cornroll. I personally can cornroll, but I like this method because it kind of gives that individual look as if you have individual braids in, but instead it's the rubber band method that pretty much look like you have cornrows in your hair. Okay guys, so all I pretty much do is part like a box section into my hair, and then I pretty much just put it into a rubber band. And when you guys put your rubber bands on your section, try not to pull, put it too tight, because again you're going to crochet the hair into these sections. So right now all I do is once I put the rubber band on there, I braid my hair just a little bit. I don't braid it completely all the way down, because the next section that I part out, again I'm going to put a rubber band onto it and connect the hair that I braided into that section. And I constantly just do this throughout the head, and I'll braid it again, and then I'll connect it once I part out my other section. And that's pretty much all you doing. And like I said, this method is pretty good for people that don't know how to cornrow their hair. This would be perfect for that. Okay, now that I'm finished putting all my rubber bands on, of course, you know, you have to take care of the scalp. So I'm putting the Infinity Growth Oil on my scalp. And as you guys know, this is my own oil that you can purchase from off my website. And I'll put everything down into the description bar. Okay guys, so the hair that's hanging left in the back, I'm just going to kind of crochet that hair into the rubber bands to kind of, you know, hide it out. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do with this section. Okay guys, so this hair I'm using, I got it from off of Amazon, and it's a 1B27 butterfly locks, crochet butterfly locks. And pretty much all I'm doing is pretty much crocheting this hair into my head. I have multiple videos on pretty much showing you how I crocheted it in. Doing crochet braids are not that hard at all. Anyone can do it. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing now. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Okay guys, so we are finishing up crocheting my hair in. Right now I'm just going to put a little jewelry and ribbons and stuff in there to kind of dress it up a little bit. And also you guys, I used about four bags of hair. The hair that was purchased off of Amazon, I believe, came with 5 packs, and I used 4 bags. So I thought that wasn't bad, and they wasn't like super heavy. They wasn't like super thick or anything like that. So yeah. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so right now we're about to get ready to take care of the edges, and as you already know, I'm using the Carol's Daughter edge control, and all I did was put that all over my edges, and I pretty much did my baby hairs. Okay guys, so I decided to cut the butterfly locks because I believe it came like a 14-inch, and I kind of wanted this bob look, and the way that it originally came, it was just too long. So again, I decided to cut them into this like short bob, and I was a little worried to cut them because I thought they were going to unravel, but they didn't, so that was a plus for me. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I am completely done this look. Please let me know down in the comment section how you like these crochet butterfly locks. And I'll leave everything down in the description bar with the hair and everything I used in this video. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get out of here. But before I get out of here, definitely make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.